Okay, here we go with my Volcano Noodle Challenge. Yeah, pretty much, and I'm already dreading it. And of course, I just finished boiling the noodles, and now I'm gonna add all the stuff in it. It comes with 2 little packages, and of course, this is like a lot bigger than the other one. I've tried the spicy noodle challenge and the nuclear. Of course, the nuclear was pretty spicy. Supposedly, this one is either just as spicy or spicier. And I'm gonna challenge myself and try to finish this whole thing wearing a pink light clothing. Hopefully it doesn't get on myself. Usually when I eat, I always get on myself, so I'm hoping this time it doesn't get on me.
I see the way you look at me. It says more than what you live.
Okay, this is to all those who wants to watch me eat spicy noodles or just food in general. I know I get a lot of requests for, hey, you should do like a eating channel, or you should do some kind of taste test or something, but I never do it because I'm an ugly eater for one, and yeah, and this is just a lot to take in. Okay, so let's go. I won't time it. I might time it afterwards, but not right now. I'm just gonna try to finish the best I can. Okay. Alright, move it a little closer to me. Okay. Usually the first taste is like the one that really kicks in, and you can taste it. Oh, it looks so much, doesn't it? Like, looks like a lot, you guys. Oh man. Okay. Let's do the spaghetti. See, this is also another reason why I can't do a mukbang, because I don't even know how to use a chopstick, and I don't know how to cook either. So, okay, here we go with the first bite. It's taking you forever, Karen. Stop babysitting. And we don't have a cheerleader here to cheer me on because Ethan's at school, so I'm just gonna have to cheer myself on, and you guys can cheer me on as well. Okay, here we go. If I can just do the first one, I can finish it. Take a deep breath. Okay. It has a really, really good flavor, you guys. The flavor, oh my god, I didn't even bring napkin. What the heck, Karen? I'm so ill prepared. No napkin, nothing. Okay. All I gotta do is swallow it. Oh my god, it actually tastes really good. Actually, really good. I think it's already getting all over my lips. Rule number 1, don't let it hit your lips. That was what I did. I really don't want to cry this time. I cried on the other one. Oh, I can feel my tears coming out already. Oh no. Okay, be brave, Karen. Oh, be brave. Okay, just swallow. Uh-oh. Wrong tested. Oh, jeez. It was a seaweed. Okay, it was a seaweed. It went into the wrong intestine. Okay. Mad props. Shout out to W.I. Claw. He did this, like, he was so brave. He did it. I think he did it the first day I sent it to him. But he should be immune to spicy stuff already, so I never doubted him. Breathe. Breathe, Karen. let's not forget to mention that I have a really high blood pressure. I don't think this is helping. Better go eat my medicine after this. I almost did it. Oh my god, come on, just a few more bites. It helps that it tastes really good. That helps a lot. Okay. Seven minutes into this video already? Oh my god. Okay, I'm pretty much done. Oh my god, that was hot. Oh, come on. It doesn't want me to eat it. Okay. Okay, I did it, you guys. My nose is running a little. My nose is running a little, but it was really good. I really like it. I think I'm gonna go buy some more just to eat. And then if you guys want to watch a video of me just eating this, you know, like how to eat this, really, not to do a challenge, but just how to enjoy a spicy noodle challenge, then go ahead and comment that down below, and I can do like a video where I can just enjoy it, eating it with other food and whatnot. But yeah, oh my gosh, very spicy indeed. If your stomach is not for these kind of food, do not try this. It is it is not worth the pain that you have to go through. But since I enjoy spicy food, I don't mind it at all. So thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh man.
So we're gonna see how fast I could eat this in 1 minute.
Okay, here is our timer down here. I'm gonna push it, and Ethan's gonna eat his bowl of noodles. Get set and go. Hold on to your bowl, it's falling. See that? It's falling. If I let go, it's gonna drip on you, Ethan. Hey, you gotta hold it. It's gonna drip on you, Ethan. Hold it. And in under 2 minutes.
Because I eat fast.
Yeah. Good job. Oh yeah.